Guys, today there's finally another update video on the AI trading bot from Cointech2U because there's been some exciting changes lately. Specifically, they've implemented some new features. The equity guard, I want to go through that live with you today and show you what the big advantage is. I'm personally going to set up a new bot and activate it, so you can see how it works and how it runs in the background. Because you can now protect your portfolio and say, for example, I don't want to take more than 20% in losses, and at the same time I have a second option to automatically transfer profits I've already made to the spot account to protect them from potential higher losses. And we'll go through that in detail later. For those who don't know, this is an automated trading bot. Feel free to check out my channel, and please consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate a sub, a like on this video, and especially comments. I have a playlist here, AI Trading Bot Test Cointech2U. There's a full tutorial there where you can see it in detail. But first I want to say, yes, this was all traded automatically. I reactivated it on February 27th. You can see Litecoin right now, for example. We can also look at apt. There are also an incredible number of trades happening fully automatically in the background here. But I have to point out, as I have in all my other videos, it's definitely a very high risk vehicle. Especially since we realized in the group, in hindsight, what happens when you use the suggested settings with 20x leverage. So what did I do? I changed my strategy when I reopened it after the stop loss was triggered. You might remember I shared that with you in the live video. So it looks good again for now, but in the live stream we went through and analyzed all the stop losses, and afterwards I reviewed everything and thought, okay, if I hadn't had that 20x leverage, and I've never been a big fan of highly leveraged positions, but used a lower leverage instead, I most likely would have survived the big crash in February. And accordingly, my new strategy is to only take relatively stable coins with 13x leverage. That's my first variation. You can see it here. Tron, apt, unfortunately not all of them. Litecoin is also fine. Chiliz is a bit more volatile. Doge can be very volatile, but I'm going to test 13x now. I'll keep you updated, of course. Everything is very transparent, even if stop loss is hit, but it ran for months without any issues until the big crash happened. BNB is in there, XRP is in there, SUI is also a bit more volatile, and AVAX could be volatile too. But with 13x based on my analysis, I apparently should have survived that. What's my second strategy? Because I'm going to open a second bot with you, and I'll show you what I'm going to do there. Because I'll also take highly volatile coins, but only trade them with 8 to 10x leverage to avoid stop losses as much as possible and try to minimize the risk that way. Exactly, but how does it look at the moment? Let's go through it quickly. Since the 27th, wait, that's the 20th, since February 27th, I've reactivated it. I let it run out a bit before that. I let the remaining positions run out and then decided to do a new setup with 13x leverage. That means every position that was still open had to hit its take profit. And once that happened, I created the new setup. And since then, it's actually been going quite well, because as we know, we can see here now, we have the account analysis. I have to go down to the trade analysis here. You see something actually comes in every day. Currently, Sui has good performance, Doge, Chiliz, apt. There you can see a bit of an example. That was also very, very good recently. If we go back in, $60 realized on a $2,000 account is, of course, very nice. Let's go into the account analysis. Let's also set it from February 27th to today's date. There we see the percentage. With a 13x leverage, it's added about 3.87% to the portfolio in about 15 days, which is really very nice, because previously it was mentioned by Cointech2U that with a 20x leverage, you make 5 to 10% a month. If I see nearly 4% here with 13x leverage for 15 days, I think that's also quite brilliant, considering it runs fully automatically in the background. But we mustn't forget, and I also showed this in that live stream, where we went through the stop loss, that this can of course happen. Once again, the risk warning. I lost $350 once and $358 another time, which was of course very bitter, and in hindsight, with a lower leverage, it would have most likely survived without the stop losses being triggered, and the whole account would of course have a completely different profit now. I don't think I need to say much more than that. For those who are really interested, you have the link in the video description for Cointech2U, but feel free to also check out these tutorials. There you'll see not just the tutorial on how I started everything, but also the individual parts showing how the profits gradually increased. And in the live videos, you'll also see how the stop losses occurred, which I'm sharing with you completely transparently. And no matter how it goes from here, whether the 13x works or not, you'll of course continue to get these regular updates on how it looks in the future. But let's go to Cointech2U, right, with the new equity guard, which is really brilliant. And I'm going to set that up live with you now. By the way, what I can also say is, if we go to user now, to wallet, you see the stop loss they promised. That if a stop loss plunges the account into the negative, you get 20% of the stop loss refunded. That means I now have 787 profit share, which I can give away, which actually cost me nothing anymore. Despite everything, it did cost me, of course, because I suffered the losses. So that's the current status. It worked great. Let's move on to the update. So how does it look? The interface looks different now than in the tutorial. Not much different, it's just all black, and they've implemented a few new things. We now have a fear and greed index, we have Bitcoin here, and the price is currently on the market, but otherwise not much has really changed here. But what has changed is, if I go in here now, I see my individual wallets. This is the last bot that's still open from the crash. So there's still a position here with a $219 loss. That's if I go in here, if we see Gala, it just hasn't recovered with the recent pumps. It also has 2 more orders to buy more here, but as soon as it hits its take profit, this bot will also be closed. Then I'll take the balance I have in here and transfer it additionally to the $1,000 account. And here I've started again with the $2,000 account, meaning I took a bit of credit here, transferred it over there so that I'm at $2,000, and it's been running since February 27th. How do I set up the new account now? So that you can see it live, and above all, what's the deal with the equity guard, which I'm naturally including now as well. And it's actually quite simple. I'm in here now, by the way, I want to show you this too. With the first account, if you go in here, you don't always have to do everything on Bitget and analyze, okay, how's the position history? How are the profits? You can actually do all of that right inside the app now, because you can see here for every month how the profits have come in. You can also go back a day, see what the profits were like here, and you also have the P&L per coin that's currently coming in. You can choose between 1 day, 30 days, and so on. So now I'm making the new account. The way I do it from this second bot, if I go in here now and say quick actions, that's how I have to start, and then I need the quick setup. And with the quick setup, the default is that I have a small order quantity here, yes, but with 20x leverage, and I don't want to accept the 20x leverage. I'm telling you how it is. What do I do here? I'm going from the AI optimization to the manual setup, and what's the only thing I'm doing here? I'm going down here and setting it to 10x leverage. I'm going to test it like this, just half the leverage, but leave everything else the same. But it also means that despite everything, for the stop loss, if I were to hit it and the account is in the red, I'd get my 20% back, and I'll leave the rest just as small. Here I have a $180 stop loss per coin. But the order size per coin is also quite low here, and now we come to the, I'd say, game changer. We'll see if it really works that well or not. But I want to explain to you exactly what that looks like in detail. If I go in here now and activate it, I have the equity guard and the profit guard here. And now we come to the part that I find very exciting. I now have the option to say, okay, I want to take a maximum of 20% drawdown, which would mean as soon as my open positions were at a loss of $200 in this case, so reaching $800 of my total equity, it means he closes all positions, realizes the losses, waits a bit until the market has calmed down, and then restarts the bot. It's not so nice if I take the loss, of course, but I can protect my account. Because if too many coins hit the stop loss at once, I could naturally lose much more than those 20%. My account could go down to $300, for example, and that's the very first thing. The second thing that's really exciting is the profit guard. Meaning if I say here now, as soon as 5% profits are realized and set aside, it'll be automatically transferred from the futures account to the spot account. So what's the advantage here? If I regularly transfer my profits away and manage to do that at least 4 times, and my account later falls into a loss anyway, I've at least set profits aside and I'd be at break even once that's done 4 times. So that would be brilliant for me. And the more profits that are naturally set aside, the better it will be later with the equity guard. I don't know if these settings are good. I'll test it so you can have feedback, and I'll take the 5% immediately once they're realized and set them aside. I want a maximum loss of 20%, and then I'll start the vehicle like this and see if it works. This means I now have a 10x leverage here instead of 20x leverage. I'll do this with more volatile coins, and the equity guard will also intervene here fully automatically. Next, I'm going to pick out the coins that will be traded here. I also have the option to exclude coins that are already in other portfolios. This means coins active in the other bot shouldn't be shown here, though Chiliz is shown, which isn't great, but I know I have Chiliz active there. And then, for example, I'll choose Shiba Inu. Very interesting. What else should I take? I'll also include not here, for example. What else should I include? I'll include Theta. What else? DYDX. I really want to have volatile coins if possible, where there's a lot of movement. I think AP is also quite volatile. CRV, I think that was a stop loss coin if I'm not mistaken. I'd have to check Pepe. Do I have it active here? I'm not sure at all. I don't think I have Pepe active here, but when Pepe takes off, it's also quite volatile. No, Pepe isn't active here. That means I'll include Pepe here as well. Now I have 6 coins. It tells me I can select 6 coins with the 1000 US tether, and I find that very, very interesting. I just want to see if anything else would be interesting. Floki, a meme coin, could of course also be interesting, especially if I say I really want to include volatility here. I might take NOT out and I'll include Floki. But what I'm doing now is I'm not doing 10x at all. I'm going back again. I hope that stays in there. I'll set this to an 8x leverage. I really want to try to set this up reasonably safely for myself. Do I still have the coins in there? No, I have to... Wait, they're all in there. Yes, perfect. All coins are selected. Then I'll go to the next step and it tells me low risk level. Sure, I also have a lower leverage, of course. You can see long and short here, which is my order size. Equity guard is in there. My profits are also automatically transferred. My 6 coins that I have in there now, and I'll click start. Then it usually takes a few seconds. But if I refresh it now, the positions should actually come in right away, and then they'll be opened fully automatically. You see, little by little, these positions are coming in, long and short. We'll compare everything now. If I switch the sub account here and go into BGBot1, then we'll see here on Futures USDTM, all these positions should be open. And there they are, all active. So this is all fully automatic now with a very low leverage. I just want to see if I take volatile coins with low leverage, what the performance looks like, so I can just let it run continuously and hopefully not get any more stop losses. I'll keep you up to date on that, of course, but that's the equity guard. What I want to go through now is, how do I activate the equity guard on a running bot? Because we've only done it together with a newly created bot, but it works with a running one too, of course. You just have to do it a little differently there. I'll click in here on the running bot to see how it's currently active. You can see here something is already active right now. My equity guard is already set to a 20% loss here and my profit guard to 5% profit. That means as soon as it reaches 2,145 US tether, it automatically transfers 5% of my profit to the spot account, leaving me with 2,043. But how do I go about activating that here? You go to quick actions again. In this case, don't use the quick setup. That's only there for when I'm activating a new bot or if I already have so much profit that I want to add more coins or change my order size. No, I have to use the quick update here, and it would immediately suggest including the AI optimization at 20x. Again, I'll just say, no, I don't want that. I'll take the 13x and set it up like that, and then I have the option down here to include the equity guard. It's already active for me, so I take 20% here and 5% for the profit guard. I'll just try it now with the lowest possible amounts. Click on confirm, and for the next step, you click on next. Then it shows you all the coins you currently have active. You have to click on them here. I'm going to do that again now. Then click on next again. Then it says low risk again, and I have to confirm everything. I'll just do that one more time. It's not a problem because I already had it set up, but that's how it works now. And when I go to the dashboard, you can see that the equity guard and profit guard are activated. Exactly. So now you see how it works with a running bot. For those of you who have active bots, you can see here how easy it is to activate. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to subscribe and leave a like. I'll say it again. Support me with some comments for the algorithm and see you next time.